A Brief Moment in Time by LIOBA BRÜCKNER. In 60 by 78 cm rounds, Special Treatment version 3. We have first labradorite crystals for version 1 that we have placed on the leaves. So simply find the lightest green areas and place the labradorite crystals in that portion of your painting. And then for version 2, we have morganite crystals that we have placed on the purple flowers and all the other purple areas, such as sort of this kind of like stem that we see over here, that's purple, and there's some purple over here in the back. So sprinkle them in those areas as well, and remember to follow the rule of placing more on the darkest or the closest color that matches the special bead with the color on the painting, and then gradually making a gradient effect as you go to the lighter portion of that particular object. So as you can see, we've placed majority of them in the middle where it's dark violet, and then as it moves to light violet, then we've placed just specks of the morganite. And then for version 3, we've got over here apple crystals, applying the same technique, placing more on the area that's darker in color, and then moving up gradually as the color lightens with just specks of that special bead. So these are apple crystals, morganite, and labradorite. Version 3, A Brief Moment in Time by LIOBA BRÜCKNER.